Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be painting this somewhat iconic picture of Pennywise from It. I'm going to be using only 4 paints: Mars Black, Titanium White, Red, Cadmium Red Deep Hue, and Primary Yellow. Yeah, so I mean, if you've seen any pictures of Pennywise on the internet, then you may be familiar with this image where he's sort of hiding behind the balloon here. I used my Zebra Delgard mechanical pencil to draw this picture, and now I'm going to try painting it and see how that turns out. Hope you all are doing well. It's a great day here in New Jersey today. It's supposed to have a little bit of rain later today, but right now it's sunny and beautiful, and can't wait to get outside. So I'm going in with the cadmium red here to bring in that balloon. It's very rich, deep color red. Fills up the canvas really wonderfully. I really like this Liquitex Basics acrylics because it's kind of affordable and yeah, it's got really good color coverage. Here I'm just using some black to dirty up that balloon a little bit. As you know, with Pennywise, everything's a little bit dirtier with when he's touching it, and the balloon is a little bit dirty. So have you guys seen the two It movies, the new ones? I really like them. I thought they were really well done. You know, not perfect, but I thought they were definitely an improvement over the old original It back in the 80s or whenever that was. Although I love Tim Curry as the clown, but yeah, I really enjoyed this new version. Both of them, really. Here I'm using, I mixed some of the yellow and red to create the orange for Pennywise's hair. And I'm using a canvas that I got from the dollar store. I think it's 4x4 maybe? No, 6x6. It's a small 6x6 canvas panel from the dollar store. I'm just going in, putting down the layer of white over Pennywise's face. And I'm not really letting anything dry in between. I'm just going in and got a little bit of black, the Mars Black, with some of the white to bring up some of the shading and some of the highlights, the dirty highlights on his face. And here I'm just going in with some more of that Mars Black and white to give the illusion of those ruffles that he has around his neck. I don't get too much detail on those ruffles because kind of impatient, and I just wanted to, you know, I was more concerned with the face than I was with the ruffles. And here I'm going in with the cadmium red again, doing his lips and those famous little lines that come from the side of his mouth. This particular version of Pennywise, he has a very big bottom lip. I don't know if that was meant to be that way or if it was the actor's choice, but in this image, that bottom lip is really pronounced. So I made the bottom lip a little fatter than the top. Here I'm putting in the shading underneath of his eyes. I'm thinking I might do a series of these type of horror icon face paintings. So yeah, so if you have an idea of who you want me to do next, leave me a message in the comments down below. Maybe it's Michael Myers from Halloween, or for Jason Voorhees or Leatherface, maybe Freddy. I don't know, but who do you want to see next? Let me know. Putting in some more shading highlights in his hair. In the image, the hair is really dark down closer to his head. I think that's just from shadows. So I'm just getting in some shadow. I want to try to get a little bit more definition on his face, just to separate it some from the ruffles. Ruffles didn't really turn out as well as I had hoped they would be. But like I said, I was more concerned with the face. Here I'm just, the background of the image is stark black, so now I'm just going to go in with some black and fill in the background just to help the Pennywise's face really pop out. I had a lot of fun painting this picture. It was a picture I found on my computer that I had that I've been wanting to paint. I've been wanting to paint it for a while, and but I totally forgot it was on there. And this today, when I was looking for a picture to try to paint, I was going to try painting another picture. And when I saved it into my folder, I opened it up and I saw this picture of Pennywise, and I was like, well, maybe I should give this one a shot today. And I'm glad I did, because I really had a lot of fun painting it. I'm just going to go in and just touch up a couple of the little highlights here. The little line on the left side of the face, I wasn't really happy with how that turned out, so I was trying to fix it up here and there, but so I just went in and I just covered it back over with white so I could redo it. It needed to have a little bit of a curve bump out there. Still wasn't exactly 100% satisfied with it, but I like the second version better than the first, so I just went with it. So this is basically it. Just going to finish up some touch-ups, just where you can still see some of the old lines poking through, filling it in with some white. And I did forget to put the string from the umbrella hanging down, but I did that after it dried. So yeah, so this is it, my Pennywise. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time with another painting. Thanks.